Welcome to Research Hub.
When you're preparing any research-based document, one of the most critical elements is the use of accurate and verifiable references. Your arguments must be supported by real, existing scholarly sources. Many students rely on large language models to draft research content, but a common challenge is that these tools often fail to provide authentic or traceable citations. In today's video on Research Hub, I'm introducing a powerful AI tool, Claude, that can assist you not only with writing, but also with generating content supported by scholarly literature. Even better, it's accessible for free and can help with a wide range of academic and everyday tasks.
When you open the platform, you'll notice several built-in features on the homepage. The Write feature allows you to draft research outlines, develop project structures, improve writing style, brainstorm ideas, and much more. You can either select from ready-made prompts or enter your own customized instructions based on your needs. There is also a Learn feature, which helps you design learning frameworks, generate assessment questions, build knowledge maps, and create structured educational material. For example, if you choose Create Assessment Questions, the tool will ask you a few targeted questions, such as the topic, difficulty level, and type of questions required. Once you provide this information, it generates a structured and downloadable assessment that may include MCQs, true-false questions, and short answer items. You can even share the assessment link with students and collect responses. Similarly, you can generate various types of code tailored to your research needs, whether it's for performance benchmarking, in-depth technical evaluation, or any specialized analysis you're working on. Beyond research, the tool is equally useful for everyday productivity. For instance, you can ask it to turn your personal goals into a clear step-by-step action plan. It can help you design an academic roadmap, organize your living space, build a consistent morning routine, or strengthen your time management strategy. All you need to do is select the appropriate prompt. The tool will then ask you a few targeted questions to better understand your preferences and objectives, allowing it to create a customized plan that fits your specific needs. As a researcher working on the impact of social media on youth, I can use this tool to generate innovative PhD research ideas within my specialization. It serves as a powerful brainstorming assistant, helping me explore new angles, refine concepts, and identify research gaps in the field. Beyond idea generation, the tool can support me in structuring a detailed research plan, drafting a comprehensive proposal, and writing the full proposal content. In fact, it can assist with preparing any academic document related to my research, from concept notes to full-length manuscripts. For example, if I want to explore a different subject area, such as the impact of social media on mental health, I can also use the tool to outline topics, build structured arguments, and develop a well-organized research document in that domain. You can use the Writing feature to brainstorm research topics, such as the relationship between social media usage and anxiety among adolescents, effects of social media comparison on self-esteem, the role of digital detox in improving mental well-being. You can also ask the tool to draft a literature review supported by recent scholarly studies. It will first analyze relevant research, structure the document properly, introduction, thematic discussion, conclusion, and provide references at the end. The generated document is downloadable in an editable format, allowing you to revise and refine it. Keep in mind that AI-generated text should not be submitted as your final work without modification. Use it for idea generation, structuring your thoughts, overcoming writer's block, identifying relevant references. Always cross-check the citations, verify DOIs, and rewrite the content in your own academic voice. This ensures your work remains original and avoids AI detection or plagiarism issues.
This tool is not limited to academic writing. It can help you create productivity plans, improve time management, design personal development frameworks, and organize daily tasks. It customizes outputs based on your responses to its guided prompts.
For researchers exploring topics like the impact of social media on mental health, Claude can generate structured outlines, draft literature-backed content, suggest research directions, help refine language professionally, support citation discovery. It's especially useful for brainstorming, planning, and strengthening academic arguments. You can access the tool through the link in the description and start experimenting with it today. Thank you for watching Research Hub.
Don't
I'll
forget
see you
like,
in the
share,
next
and
video.
subscribe my
Take
channel.
care and keep researching.